Hi, this is Lisa from JoyfullyArt. My painting from my last video was a ghost pour, and it just did not turn out at all. After it dried, I think I had too much in my back pour on my background. All the colors sank. It just did not look well. So I scraped it off and we're going to try again. So I already put my background down. It's gray again, just like the other one. And I got some different color that I'm going to use instead of the ones that I did use. I didn't think they came out in a good combination. So we're going to try some different ones. And the video that came out today, this is the second, and it was this one. And I don't know, my camera was wonky or something, but it didn't turn out. It had black on the sides. It didn't fill the whole screen, and I'm sorry about that. I will try and not do that again. So on with the next. My husband picked these colors. So let's hope that they do better. That was Luminous Green, Luminous Pear. This is Artist Loft Silver. This is Winsor Newton Cad Yellow Medium Hue. I will have all these listed below in my description. I think something's stuck in there. There we go. This is this is Artist Loft Phthlo Blue. Hands wipe off some. I have my swipe tools here. I have 3 different ones, small and big, and you want to make sure that you always wipe off your swipe tools after each one. Start with this one. See how it goes. Want to have a very light touch. That looks prettier already. Kind of shaky today. I don't know why. Oops. Hope that one seals in. Seals in. I got a little bit too down to the canvas. If not, I can go back in and fill it in. Fill this in some with the gray. I'll go back in afterwards and do my sides. Haven't noticed, I noticed those or not. Pull that in. Let's see, I better pull this one again. There we go. That looks so much better. I'm going to turn it around so I can do the other side. I love doing paint pouring. It's so relaxing and so much fun. I love acrylic paint. Start again. Start with the bigger one. I haven't gotten any of the bigger ones. had a beautiful ghost pour. Navy blue background. I can't really remember what the colors were that I swiped with. It was gorgeous, but it sold, which I'm glad it did. But it was beautiful. And I didn't want to make another one exactly like it, but and my husband, the nice guy that he is, he has set me up so I have a television in front of me, and so I can see what I'm doing on the television so I don't get out of frame, so that it's better. That way you guys can see what I'm doing, or I can see what you guys see, so that I don't get out of frame. What do you guys think? I think it's really nice. Let's see if I can pull this one down a little bit more. There we go. Uh-oh, he did a really good job. Let's give it a torch. I mix my paints, 2 parts floetrol, 1 part paint, and water as needed. And there's no silicone in these paints. I do use silicone in some of my paints, but not in these. Everything will be listed in the description, my paints and how I mix them, the colors that I used. This is a 10 by 20 canvas, I believe. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell, you'll be notified when I put up a new video. And I think this one is done. Look how pretty that turned out. It's so much better than the other one. Thank you all for watching. I hope everybody had a happy new year. And please, everybody, have a great day. Thank you.